All right, guys, good morning. Let's take a look at Cardano. We're just going to go over the straight analysis. Guys, Cardano's taking off here. It may not seem like it's taking off to you guys, but it's the only coin that's actually doing anything. Up 33% in a matter of 1 day in 12 hours. Yesterday it was up over 10%. Today it was actually, just before I came on this video, we're pushing up above 10%. Guys, this thing's going up. I'm going to show you guys some metrics that are getting pretty bullish over here, and we're going to get into that in today's video. But guys, let's just start here real quick. Letting you guys know, today is the last day. I'll make this very fast and I want to get on with the analysis. But you guys literally have, depending on when you're watching this, maybe you've got 2 hours, 3 hours, 30 minutes, maybe it's already passed. Okay, so if you're watching this video and it is before 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on May 31st, you're very lucky, okay? Our indicators are going to be going up in price. All the indicators in the bundle pack, they're going up in price today, okay? We had them low for the bear market. Things are turning back around, guys. We're upping the price. We wanted to keep it low for you while things are down, but we're starting to win some trades here. I've called out 5 trades on this YouTube channel to show you guys the power of this for a total, 6 trades, and all 6 of them won, accounting the Bitcoin trade we called out on Friday. 25% profit we've called out for you guys using these indicators right here. The price response, money flow, trend exhaustion, okay? This bundle pack, guys, you're going to love it. Just telling you guys, enter coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, and you guys will get 84% off, and we're going to be upping the price here in a few hours, so make sure you guys snag that. All right, now that I've talked to you guys about that, let's show you guys how we've been using these. Here's what you guys are looking for scalping trades. Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, and you guys are looking for metrics to line it up with. I'll show you how to enter that strategy, but I want to just let me show this to you guys real quick where we're at. Trend exhaustion was low down here. Well money flow as well was getting low at this point down here. At this moment, guys, this was the prime time to get into crypto down here at the bottom. This was literally at the bottom here before we saw the move back up. It actually got you in, if you just watched the Bitcoin video I just did, it got you in before the big whales even purchased lower than where they got in. And we literally looked at the on-chain metrics of volume through the exchange on Bitcoin for the exchange that we're using, okay? These guys are going to help you guys a lot. Now, let's take us to the forefront here, can we? Trend exhaustion this high and well money flow this high is going to see a reversal move back down. And you guys are seeing that this morning. We've already seen a decline in the price up here. Let's see what we're looking at the top. Seeing a decline of about almost 9%. That's kind of a lot. I know we're at these low levels, but guys, scalping Cardano, scalping VET, scalping EOS, where the coins are really, really low, but still have enough volume, guys, this is where the money's being made. My account, guys, I was just looking at this. Okay, if we crossed 81, we have gone up, we have recovered. Just so everybody knows, my break even is at 150,000, and we still have the healthiest YouTube account that we can find anywhere in crypto because we used good risk management in this bear market. We have gone up. We've recovered $10,000 in our account, guys, since last Friday. Okay, that's pretty awesome. So I'm watching this and I'm like, oh, heck yeah. Like we literally went up $10,000 since Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days, averaging about $2,500 of rebound. Make this clear, it's not profit. 150,000 is break even, but we've recouped about 10,000. So when this market really starts heading up here, guys, and Bitcoin starts, blasting off, hitting this resistance at 36,000, guys, we'll probably see another maybe $20,000 to $25,000, $30,000 in our account. Guys, it's the people who held with us and did not sell who are doing the best. I know a lot of people thought the markets were going to keep going down here and they were just going to keep tanking, so they sold. You guys are waking up this morning and you're probably kicking yourselves. I've been hounding you guys on this. When prices are this low, our break-even entry, look, our break-even entry is at 155. But you should not be selling. I'm not a financial advisor, but we've recovered $10,000 since Friday. It's awesome, guys, and it's just a matter of being patient in these markets, not letting your emotions turn this into a gambling thing where you're at the casino. Be patient. Now, with that said, the indicators. We are pushing up to the top red section here, so I would be looking, guys, for a potential move back down. Looking at where the trend exhaustion has been before with well money flow this high, we have seen some pretty nice drops back down. So I'm just letting you guys know. This could be a sign where we could be seeing some moves down. Even looking at, let me get another area where volume was high. Do keep this in mind as well. Let's take a look at this over here. When wells have been buying this high in the past, we do see some moments here where, yes, we ended up seeing a little bit of a mark move down, and then we're seeing the move back up. So here's the thing, guys. I believe, sorry, let me get back to where we were. I accidentally refreshed the page. I believe what's going to be happening here on Bitcoin that you guys all need to be watching for is going to be a massive short squeeze that's going to be coming out, because everybody who shorted right here at these price levels is getting squeezed right now. Do you guys understand what I'm saying there? Everybody who ended up buying right around here for their short trades, getting into the market, are getting squeezed and their stop losses are being hit right now. If this thing blasts above this area of about 32,500, Cardano here is easily going to push up to this descending resistance line, which has been respected since way back over here. Actually, let me take us to the 1 day time frame so I can show this to you guys. Way back over here, we've respected this. So this is the mark that we're all watching for, guys, on Cardano. If this thing breaks above, here's your target, guys. If it breaks above the quarters theory level of 75 cents, Cardano is probably going to see a pretty massive move up here. This is the most bullish pattern I can find in all of trading, maybe outside of a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Where is it going to go? Structure high. That is the next visual target that we're looking for. So again, guys, I'm not going to come out here and say, oh, it's going straight to all-time high. That's ridiculous. But look, the most realistic price prediction we have of a break of the descending resistance is a 76% move up. Okay? That is honest, true analysis. Everyone needs to look at that, and it's at the quarters theory level of 125. So this going up here, guys, just on Cardano alone and the other accounts, we'll gain back about $30,000 to $40,000 in our account just with that move. And I'm going to be patient. Look at this. Trend exhaustion at the bottom here has plenty room to move back up here. Well, money flow has room to move back up here. What we can get is a breakup, a retest where the trend exhaustion moves back down here. Well, money flow starts moving down for a little bit, break and retest to then push us back up, guys. This pattern is looking to play out perfectly. Watch them with the indicators, guys. I'm telling you, we're going to call out more scalping trades, guys, this week. Once we start seeing trend exhaustion to the bottom right section, I'm going to call out more, and you guys can do this every single morning. I'm not going to call them out every morning, guys, so you guys need the indicators for them. But I'm just telling you guys, snag this deal, please, guys. You will thank yourself getting these today. All right, let's go over the actual metrics for Cardano today. Go on the front page, click Cardano, and let's dive in. So we're looking at this. These metrics will update here in about 15 minutes, so make sure you guys are checking the updated versions. But neutral section here, all right? What I'm watching for here is something interesting on the long versus short trades. I think, guys, I'm predicting that as this market starts moving up here close to descending resistance, this thing is going to start moving up here pretty fast. And if you come up here and watch the long and short trades, the volume, remember, guys, this is volume. This is not percentage based. This is actual volume here. Volume of longs are greater than the volume of shorts right now. But if the volume of shorts actually heads out here and starts moving down like this, that's a bigger bullish sign that we're going to start seeing probably longs increase. Even if longs don't increase, guys, and they stay the same, shorts decreasing will take pressure off of the market going down. Because who in the world is going to come in here and start shorting in here in this market? I understand totally if people come in here and short right around this 69, maybe 70 cent mark. It's a descending resistance, and they're going to look to short this. I guarantee you guys we're probably going to see Wells institutions shorting this right now, but let's take a look at this. Market cap strength. We are seeing this tick up here for this green line. It is moving up on Cardano. So this is good. As price is moving up, people are putting their money back in here. And think of this as well. Look at the watch list, guys. Look at all of your top cryptos. What's the biggest coin today that everybody has their eyes on? It's going to be Cardano. Do you think some shifting might actually happen over to Cardano? I think so, because everything else is in the red, down, 1%, 4%, 1%, 2%, 3% here, okay? People are going to be looking at Cardano again. Guys, it's an incredible coin. I think it's got such a bright future. Okay, trades in favor sitting in the neutral section here. So we're not, crazy low, but if you guys are using these metrics, come down here and watch this. When this says great long trade, guys, it is an incredible place to get in. When this is at the bottom over here, these are like the best places to get in because they show favor. You wake up in the morning and say, okay, I want to take a trade setup today. Look to see which side has the greatest favor. If the line is pushed up into a good short trade or a great long trade, those are the sides in the markets you need to be looking to trade because it's going to show you guys overextensions. Okay, watch this. Well, institutional smart money. I was looking at this before I came on the video with you guys. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is an amazing call down here. The amount of longs that came in over here at the bottom was pretty substantial right down here. It was the double bottom formation. So those people who got in down here, you guys were watching our metrics. You guys were watching the indicators. Let me bring us back to the 4-hour time frame because this was the main time frame we stay on. You guys were watching this and you got into some insane profits already. If you guys are diamond hand holding this thing, you're sitting up, like I mentioned to you guys already, you're sitting up about 35% here in about I think it was 1 day and 6 hours or 12 hours, something like that. Look at this. Wells and institutions were looking to buy last time right here before we saw the move up. The precursor called it right there. This also called it as well for the move back up. I'll tell you guys, we have like a few thousand people in our metrics checking this all the time in our membership. It is where you guys can literally get, honestly guys, I've had memberships with everybody. We have the cheapest price with honestly, I would say some of the best quality data out there. $95 a month. I'm just going to unshamefully just talk about this just for 3 seconds. $95 a month, all the metrics you guys will get for the Wells and institutions, masterclasses, community chat, and inner circle. Great. There you guys go. Okay. Let's get back to the analysis. It is the best membership you guys can have to access all this data, and it's on every single coin. All right. Support resistance prices. The next support for a break and retest pattern, let's look at this so you guys understand what I'm talking about. Break and retest is a retest off of this resistance, now support. And we've pretty much done that this morning. So a break and retest pattern off of 61 cents is what I'm looking for. So if this thing actually bounces up today, which I wouldn't doubt, because we're probably going to see this, bounce off here. And if Bitcoin gets any more bullish than it is, looking to bounce off its support line as well for a move up here, we're probably going to see Cardano start moving up here pretty nicely again. So guys, let me show you a good trade setup you can get into right now to actually take advantage of this. Dollar cost average entries, you guys got absolutely the perfect entry for Cardano. This metric is available on all of our coins, guys. We coded this to find the absolute bottoms of crypto. We literally have I told this to you guys the other day, we have a coding team right now that works like for Trade Confident. We are trying to outcode the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow right now, and we have not been able to do it. Like we've had other indicators we've built. I try to build one, guys. Like honestly, I'm trying to build like one or two every single month to outbeat this, and we just have not. We're always trying to progress what we're doing. So literally, this is it. Like guys, the trend exhaustion, price swell money flow, the best indicators you guys can get for this. But I'm telling you guys, partner those with our metrics. Incredible entries this called out for you guys on the move down. Okay, I want to get you guys into a trade setup because I think this is where the big money is going to be made here. I want to keep it private for our members, but again, go over to the pricing section. You guys will be able to access all this with our membership. Literally, the whole website opens up and you guys get access to the community chat, the master classes. Guys, go from beginner to pro. Watch the master class. It's really fast. Okay. Here's what you guys do to trade. And literally, we have won. Sorry I didn't show this to you guys in the beginning of the video. We've won 122 wins and only one loss. Everybody lost Luna. So that's the one loss. Besides Luna, which is the anomaly, we've been undefeated in all of our trades. And on top of that, the thing that I think counts more than a perfect win rate outside of Luna is that we have the best and healthiest account we can find on all of YouTube. Seriously, guys, all the YouTubers out there, we're not trying to bash them or anything like that. Please don't take it like that. But we've been using such ridiculous risk management and we've been spreading our buy limits out so much that we have the healthiest account. Nobody's using the risk management that we're doing online because people want to get more money into the market. But let me show you guys how we're doing this, and let's bring it back to the Cardano trade setup. Here's what we do, guys, on all of our coins. This was actually just updated for this morning, so these are actual live buy limits for you guys on Bitcoin. Here's what we do. Let's say we have $1,000 or you have $1,000. We split our portion into 4 equal segments here. So let's say I have $10,000. I do this. $2,500 at each buy limit. Most people put all their money in right here. And leveraged, you guys lost it all. People who put their money in here, they leveraged, they lost everything twice. We still have $81,000 out of $150,000, and we've crashed all the way this far. This is how we have the healthiest account. You guys, some of you guys, this is gonna be a light bulb moment for you guys and be like, okay, fine. I'm ready to trade successfully, and I want to keep my account safe. Okay, guys. People, Instagram and all these social profiles, they always post, people making all this money. And yeah, we've got those testimonials as well. But can we start shifting this perspective, guys? There needs to be this sexy factor on how much money do you still have in a bear market. We need to switch this, and I'm trying to do that on this channel. Too many people just talk about the pumps they make when the whole market's going up. How about we talk about how much money we've saved ourselves, so if something happened to my own family, I could take out $81,000 right now, easily put a down payment on a house, and we could survive for over a year. Just with the money here. But those of you guys who didn't use risk management like I'm showing you, you don't have anything left. Okay, I'm not trying to be rude about that or anything, but look, guys, we need to change the sentiment in crypto. Look at how much you're saving in a bear market. Don't make it all about the gains. I'm really trying to teach you guys about this. I'm shifting this for everybody, all right? And I'm doing it with my own money to show you $150,000 is not a little amount of money for me. So I'm happy that I still have that much money left. Okay, Cardano, let's focus on this. I know this is Bitcoin, but all the charts look the same. Splitting your money into 4 equal portions. Because here's the deal, guys. Crypto can still go back down. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit up here, but make sure other buy limits are set up in case it moves back down. Guys, there's still a scenario here. I'm not even going to just, lie to you guys. There's a scenario where we could see this move up here, and we could actually see a squeeze on all long trades, honestly, and it could head back down to $20,000. That's a potential. Do you know if it's going to head back up to $36,000 guaranteed? No, you do not. So stop thinking you know what's going to happen and use risk management so you can win both ways. Okay, I'm setting you up for success here. If you guys get into Bitcoin or any of our coins today, your first buy limit is hit and it goes up, look, you're going to make money. Congratulate yourself. Literally, good job for doing that. But if the market goes down and you happen to not correctly predict everything perfectly, then you have great risk management where your first buy limit gets hit, your break-even entry is going to move down. Your second buy limit gets hit, your break-even entry is going to move down. And your break-even entry moves down, giving you profit faster as the market moves back up. I love this strategy, guys, and you guys need to start trading it. I'm serious. AVX call we did, guy made quick $200. This guy took our indicators, did $150 and turned it into $3,000. Okay, 150 into 1,000, then he came out and just told us they took 1,000 and 3,000. Insane. This guy down here is making thousands of dollars a month with our strategy and indicators. He has been undefeated. I'm sharing with you guys how people are doing this. He's like, this week alone, I've made 5,000. Okay, 2,777 on the EOS pump. Guy down here, he does literally $23,000 with our 2 indicators in 1 week. Guys, the indicators are going up today in price. Snag these indicators, guys. Literally $23,000 with our 2 indicators in 1 week. This guy does $6,310 in 13 days, $3,500 in a single week with the indicators and the metrics. Good job, Ricky. Okay, he pocketed $1,300 here overnight. Okay? And again, a guy down here, $43,000 with our 2 indicators right here. Guy down here, $100 to $400 a week on average. $7,000 since May 1st on an $80,000 balance. He took his account, went from $80,000 to $120,000. I owe it all by simply following your advice on a daily basis. Guys, these guys have indicators and metrics. This guy apparently feels like a god now that he has our indicators. I don't want to just keep going on here and showing you guys all this, but seriously, this is changing people's lives. Guys, my life value just went up $10,000 since Friday because I just held and I used good risk management. Guy does $4,000 plus in 24 hours on the outlay of $20,000 just using the indicators. If you've stuck around long enough to this, guys, you should know this is the place where you need to be snagging these. Go up to the subscription, snag the indicators, follow me on YouTube. I'm going to call all the trades out in Telegram anyways for you guys for entries and exits, but the indicators are what you use to get into the scalping trades. And you can't just follow it on the Telegram. You need to be looking for those entries, and getting the indicators, guys, is the best deal. It's a one-time purchase, lifetime access. You get the source code to all of our indicators, guys. Nobody's giving away the source codes to their indicators. I do this because if Jesus takes me to heaven one day, guys, and I'm gone, I want you to have what you paid for. There's an integrity here that we're running this business with, where we're not just giving you guys access on TradingView. If something were to happen to me, my account gets shut down on TradingView, and I were to give you guys manual access to these indicators, you guys are done for. Seriously, you're probably going to get them revoked. But if we give you guys the source codes, it doesn't matter what happens to me. I want you guys to get what you paid for. So literally, we give away the best crypto indicators you guys will ever get for crypto, and we give you the source code. Now, they're tracked. Do not share these with anybody else. Seriously, we actually don't do it. You just don't want to do it. But guys, all the indicators are yours. That's not you guys watching this, but literally today I'm upping the price. Make sure you guys snag this. Enter coupon code Save Money when clicking this link here. It will give you guys 84% off everything. I love you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. The indicators are in the description. The metrics are over there as well underneath the membership for $95 a month. Guys, snag all of this and you guys are good to go for this bull market. It's taking off. Now's the time to be making some money, guys, and get the tools you need right here. On the front page, I also place this over here. Sell ends today, 84% off all indicators. Click this. Here's the link you guys click. Here's testimonials. That's what you guys need to do. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Enjoy the indicators on sale today, and I'm just going to keep coming out with videos, and we'll keep making profit. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.